Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the scanner which we have made recently, and I have a good response for the scanner, and it was working best, and a lot of questions about how to use and in the live market, or how to we can use. So that is what the main questions about the scanner that I'm going to discuss about here. And before that, I was thankful to you all. We are reaching near about 8,000 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'm thanking you all to my subscribers, those who have joined us, my YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe, and so it's thankful to you all. We are reaching a great milestone of 8,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So this was a scanner I have created for finding out buying stocks. Even someone who messaged me about he was adding some open low conditions that even better works better, and someone who suggested, I think 𝗂𝐿, he said about the latest high is greater than one day ago high, found a good results. Maybe because if it is greater than previous day high, it may giving you better result, because it is a keep on increasing stocks only we are focusing. So you can apply our ORB strategy. Those who are attend to my ORB class, that is what a intraday options and futures class. So you can apply at 9:30, 9:35. What are the stock which is available on the scanner? You can take some 3-4 stocks at the 9:30 level. So you can focus that alone. I think from beginning, I find out a chamber fertilizer. Still, it was in their list, and M&M also be there in the list. And Jindal still I'm not seen in the list, and BEL I find out, so it was in the from the beginning. So you take a particular time frame around 9:30. What are the stock which is available on the scanner? So just go to find out the stocks, and if it is giving you the breakout kind of trade, you may try to focus. So there is a lot of logic where we can use it. First of all, the stock selection is the important key. Based on this uh, scanner, we are finding out the stock selection first. So let me find out chamber fertilizer. I'm watching in the morning, it was in the available in the scanner, right? So let try it out around 9:15 or 9:15 to 9:30. So we can apply our ORB strategy. Those you know, for example, this stock in the first 15 minutes, so it is never break the high afterwards, but it is breaking that high. It's a big gap up, and so by first 15 minutes itself it moves higher, so having a big gap up, and it breaks the high around of 349, and it is closed nearby 349. There is no big movement on the stock after our entry point. So but you see BEL and M&M Finance, I seen BEL only, I am not remember M&M Finance where I find out or not. So the first 15 minutes where it is breaken around 303, it went up to 307, some 4 rupees. It's for about intraday trade, right? So from this list, if you have any stocks, you can find out. So we are expecting there is a 45-degree move. So it's in a quick way it moves, and after that it's very flat, right? But you can apply that strategy. But we can even filter out. The scan will filter out somewhere around 26 stocks. To track an intraday about 26 stock, it's highly impossible, because we can try to find out 1 or 2 stocks. Maybe the scanner would be good. Right, if you are going to take a 25 to 26 stocks to take in an intraday, it's not possible. So to do something about this scanner, so we can create some logic, and we can add it even more to make the scanner more powerful, right? So what I'm going to do here, so first condition which I created is the latest close must be greater than the latest open. It's about the stock which is trading in positive today. That is the conditions we have created by the close greater than the latest open is on positive today. That was positive stocks which we are focusing. The second conditions is about where we mentioned in this condition is buyer initiated trade average quantity. Okay, and it must be greater than the seller initiated trade average quantity. That means, so buying average price and the selling average price, seller initiated trades, it's a completed trades. So it must be greater than the seller's one. So that means there is a lot of buying is happening on that particular stocks. Even many more, almost 200 stock will be there in F&O. But we find out only 16 stock that's having some buying is more than selling. So that is a condition. But intraday we are going to take some 25 stock. It's not highly possible. So we can add multiple conditions here. So now I'm going to change the scanner. So buyer initiated quantity. Let me try it out. Buyer initiated trades is greater than the seller's initiated trade. Another one. So here not an average. Each and every trade it must be greater than the seller's initiated trade. That may give you some idea. Let me find out. So we already got 26 stocks. If I scan using this method, I find out only 16 stock. Almost some 15, almost 9, 26, 10 stocks are removed from the scanner. So that's good because highly watching a 26 to 30 stocks in intraday, it's not a good. But here with this filter, buyer initiated trades must be greater than seller initiated trade. So it will filter out some less number of one. Again, we are going to see there is a buyer initiated trade quantity. It's about trades, number of trades. This conditions will filter you the number of trades. But this one is trade quantity. How many quantities they have traded. Buyer initiated trade quantity must be greater than sellers initiated trade quantity. So this is also another conditions will may make changes. Again we are filtering out only the same 16 stocks will be available. This will not change anything. Buyers initiated trade quantity must be greater than sellers initiated trade quantity. So the same number of stocks only we got at 16. It's never filtered anything. So let me hide this. If you are making that, so we may be again 50 stocks we got it filtered by 50 stocks. So this is the important logic, so we can keep it up. And again there is another conditions where you can find out buyer initiated trade quantity, buyer initiated average volume. So everything we are taken care, and this will, and we find out latest open equal to latest close. So these all the things will tell you the stock in bullish mode, right? The buyers initiated trades, trade quantity, average buyer initiated average trade quantity, same. Here is there any other conditions? Yeah, buyer initiated traded VWAP and seller initiated traded VWAP volume weighted average price. Let me try it out. Only 12 stocks. Okay, this will filter out only the bullish stocks where it is present, right? So if you are finding out close greater than open, so another conditions we can create the open equal to low, even it is a better chances to giving you the bullish stocks. Open equal to low, then this condition will filter out few number of, oh my god, only one stock for the day. And let's look at this. Maybe this is a scanner where we can use it in 𝐂𝐮𝐬𝐭 Industries. Let's go to check 𝐂𝐮𝐬𝐭. After that it is keep on moving higher and higher. If you are checking 160.8 and it gives you some 162, 1 rupee in within a 20-30 minutes, maybe suitable for intraday. And let's go to check yesterday we didn't find any stocks, and a few days back on 24th August, Godrej, IDFC First Bank. Let me go for a Godrej consumer product, sorry, check it, Godrej CPS, right? And this is happening on when? On 24th, maybe 24th, sorry, yesterday. This was 24th. So we will try when it is come on the scanner. This is happening on 24th. It moves well. And IDFC First Bank on 24th. Let's check it out On 25th, this was 24th here, and after that it moves very good, but it's a very low value stock. 24th, let me check it out. Previous stock, other consumer product. This is a 25th. I think this is 24th. From there, it is forming a high wave candle on the first 15 minutes. So we maybe ignore, because biggest stop loss when we are going to enter 900 and 885 is the stop loss intraday. It's not suitable. But another important thing, so this would be a best stock for day after. That is what a tomorrow's trade. Like you can try with this STPT also, no? For example, IDFC Bank, if I bought at 21st, 24th, let me check what happened. IDFC First Bank on 25th. So let me try. This is the 25th closing around 48.5. Next day it moves to 50. So 2 rupees profit. And 𝐂𝐨𝐲 𝐂𝐨𝐲, that is 24th close price is around 900, and next day it is 926. If I'm buying and waiting for a next day is like a PTSD trade, that is also working well. So now we find out very less number of stocks, and previously you see a lot of stocks on 23rd August. PEDL, Laura's Lab on 23rd. This is what a 23rd. It's giving you on intraday basis. It's giving you a good opportunity. And if you are taking out BTST on that Laura's Lab on 23rd, next day it moves slightly higher and it breaks down. It may be giving you a lost trade if you are trying it a BTST kind of thing. And VEDL on 23rd. So VEDL is at about 23rd. It's keep on going higher. And some other stock like Indigo, Bank of Baroda, that's all on 23rd. This is the 23rd. Can you look at this? Great move. So if you are using this kind of filters, even we can get a better accurate stocks. Go open low. So here we can filter out VWAP. So if you filter out VWAP, we get a lot of stocks. Not more. 3 stocks is good enough. PEL, Exide, and SBI Life Insurance yesterday. These are the things which is happening yesterday. And if you go for a back test, the same number of stocks, not more stocks, which is a very less number of stocks. And Exide, Bharat, BL, we already seen Exide. It's for intraday. If you are focusing intraday, we can see the intraday movement. Exide, BL, that is also works good. SBI Life. If you see that if the stock which is present on first 15 minutes, you can focus, or else you can avoid such a kind of stock. SBI Life Insurance, not SBI. Let's we go for SBI Life. What happened? Not giving you good movement, even if it of the first 15 minutes if you are focusing. Sorry, that day 20. This is happening by yesterday, na? 26th though, right? 26th. So SBI, this was the day where it is moves and again it fallen down, but it's a big wick with the candle in the first 15 minutes. We maybe ignore that kind of stocks having big risk. So now you filter out very least number of stocks. You can modify some other conditions also. You can add it from this kind of scanner that may works well, and you can take the stocks for today and we wait for a tomorrow. If any tomorrows, if you have an opportunity, you can go for it. Let me find out what happened yesterday. 26 didn't get. On 24th we have 3 stocks. Same we find out. We can use for a the STBT kind of trades. I hope you understand. So a lot of comments about the scanner. That's why I'm making another video about the scanner. If you are new, you can subscribe my channel. So if any update, if you want to change anything from the scanner, you can update. So it is a logic where I find out. So we can increase our accuracy to adding some extra values on the scanner. I hope I have saved this scanner like this only. So we'll get a very less number of stocks. By using this, we can find out a very less number of stocks to get for an intraday trade. So it should be a best opportunity. And positional also we can back test on a live market. So what are the stocks? So let me find out these stocks tomorrow how it perform. So that we can also try. I hope this video may be useful to you all. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much. Keep supporting us, keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.